Just a real quick heads up because this video does contain spoilers. Hey guys, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today I have a super fun special video for you featuring this lovely box. This is the 12-day advent calendar box from Glisten Glow, which I'm super excited about. So instead of like just reviewing it all, I thought we would do a little unboxing and have some fun with it. As you can see, this paper is so pretty. It's got a holo in it. It's so pretty. So let's open it. I do have some scissors in case we need them, but let's, just go ahead. Area. There we go! So we've got it open and it says Happy Holidays and a cute little sticker with the little snowman. So now let's get to opening. Ooh, here we go. So in here we have 12 different individually wrapped items. So we are just going to get started. And day one has brought us a gorgeous curly polish to start off the box. This one is called Jack Frost and Jingle Bells, and it has the most gorgeous golden sheen, shimmery sheen in here, as well as some flakies. So let's take a look at its application. So here, as you can see, it goes on really nicely. One coat is a tad bit sheer, but no fear because that second coat is going to bring us to full coverage real quick. And just a little heads up, this is going to be featured in some nail art in December, which I'm super excited about. For day two, we have a shiny top coat, which is fast drying, very clear and shiny. Day three is a clear water marble polish, so you can put this in your water marble to kind of create negative space in your design. Day four is a lovely cuticle oil pen in the scent Merry and Minty, which is a super festive pepperminty scent, which you can't beat, perfect for the season. And I absolutely love these brush applicators. Day five is a gorgeous kind of an eggplant with a hint of marsala shade called Cookies and Carols that has a lovely shimmery sheen in here that's made up of kind of like flakies. You get a glowy orange flaky tone, and then you've also got some holographic flakies in there as well, I think. At least that's what I'm seeing in the bottle and on the nail slightly, and it is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see here, this covers perfectly in two coats and it swatches just gorgeous. Looks like day six has brought us another essential, a good base coat that is sticky so your polish will really adhere to it. Ooh, day seven is this gorgeous kind of hunter Christmas tree green with a gorgeous golden flaky in there, as well as some scattered holographic micro glitters, I would say. And let's swatch it because this is a beauty. Perfect for like a Christmas tree green. And the first coat goes on a tad bit sheer. However, I think that second coat is going to completely bring us to full coverage, which as I apply it here, you can totally see that to be true. And day 8 looks to be Control-Alt-Delete, which is a liquid latex barrier that is actually peppermint scented for the holiday season, and it has a slight golden shimmer in there as well. Next up on day 9, we have a beautiful pink that has a golden and kind of a red shimmer in there as well. This one is called Mistletoe and Mrs. Claus, and it is just such a pretty curly with those flakies in there and those shimmers. We're going to apply it now, and that first coat goes on really nicely, very even, tad bit sheer, but that second coat is going to bring us to full coverage, and I just love this. For some reason, it reminds me of candy canes, so maybe expect some candy cane nail art in December with this beauty because it's really gorgeous. Day 10 has brought us another essential. This is a ridge filler, which I love to use as a base coat every now and then. Plus, they usually help with battling and preventing stains. Now we have a really pretty white curly based polish, but it has kind of like a turquoise shimmer and then blue micro glitters and flakies running through out of it, so it really makes it more of a blue polish, and it is so pretty. So this first coat goes on, you know, I can see through a little bit, no big deal. This is gonna go on full coverage in just 2 coats, as you guys are gonna see right now. And on day 12, we are ending with Hand Nail Nutrition in the scent Sugar Plum Fairies, which is just really a nice kind of a soft, sweet scent, perfect for this time of year and not too overpowering. The texture is great. It felt fabulous on my nails. My hands did not feel greasy or anything afterwards, so I am super impressed. So there you have an unboxing of the 12-day box. I think there's some really fun and essential items in here. Like, everybody can use a good top coat, everybody can use a ridge filler, and of course you can't go wrong with a festive cuticle oil because, I mean, I love to change it up for the seasons and make it all festive. So I feel like there are a lot of fun things in here. And of course, I'm going to have all the information on how you guys can get this box for yourself in the description box below. And of course, there will be more videos featuring these polishes, and if I haven't already, I will do some swatch videos at some point or another. But that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was so different and fun, and I just love Christmas themed videos. So I'm excited that it's the time of year where we get to do them. I have a lot of videos planned for December, so I hope you guys are excited as I am because it's a really excited level over here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, all the information on how you guys can get this box will be in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a great November. I feel like Christmas is sneaking up so fast. There are going to be so many good Black Friday sales, and I'm going to have a blog post up with all that information, and of course that blog post will actually feature the information on this too, so if that is already up, I will link it down below as well. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!